Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing video. I got another package from Influenster, so I thought I would show you guys what's in the box. I already saw what's in there, and to be honest, it's pretty random. But thank you, Influencer, for sending me this just for you package. I'm just kidding, it's not called just for you, it's their spring essentials VoxBox. There are a total of 5 products. The first thing in the box is Burt's Bees Enamel Care Mountain Mint toothpaste. This one is retail for $4.99. I didn't know Burt's Bees has toothpaste, to be honest. I always use their lip balm. It has fluoride. I think that means like it will prevent you to have cavities. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is probably the smallest toothpaste I have ever seen. It's cute. It kind of looks like a hand cream. The next thing in the box is Shea Moisture ABS Facial Bar Soap. This is retail for $3.99. African Black Soap. You can use it for your body as well as its face and body. I would love to try this out for my face. And then we have Krusteaz Buttermilk Protein Pancake and Waffle Mix. This is the reason why the box is kind of heavy. This is retail for $4.99. And what I really like about this is no artificial flavors, colors, preservatives. This is important to me. And it shows you 3 different ways to make it. You can have 15 grams of protein per serving, or 17 grams, or 20 grams. I think that's really neat. I would love to try this. The next thing in the box is Pantene's Rescue Shot. This retails for $1.99, which is really affordable. Treatment targets extreme damage and helps prevent split ends. You do have to rinse it off. Pantene Instant Rescue Shot uses their most concentrated formula to repair, so style away. I believe this one came out because of Coachella. People who go to Coachella, they style their hair like crazy and do some crazy things to their hair. So after that, like all the gel and stuff, you can use this. You can use this rescue shot. The problem is, just reading the ingredients, I see a lot of chemicals that I don't really want to put in my hair. For example, they have dimethicone, which is a form of silicone, and I do not want silicone in my hair. Recently, I have been searching for healthier shampoo for my hair, and I still haven't found one yet. Surprisingly, some of the huge brands actually have a ton of chemicals in the shampoo or conditioner. Yeah, so if you guys know any healthier shampoo or conditioner, please comment down below and let me know. I would love to switch because I feel like there's just way too many chemicals inside a shampoo. The last thing in the box is from the brand Triscuit, and they didn't really send the food here. They gave me a coupon to go get my own wheat berry clusters. I guess I will have to go to Target now. This is retail for $3.49, and they gave me a free coupon. Alright guys, that is all for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram because I would definitely be writing my reviews of these products on Instagram. So yeah, stay tuned and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!